Nagaland State Disaster Management Authority Home Department bra state ti ajibra luigna aha oliptin tak hawa marigina thunderstorms lightning logot pani kiri boli laga weather advisory tishe weather update hisab ajibishi districts ti light to moderate pani kiribo aro isolated chakadi pani kirigina thunderstorms aro lightning maribo pare Peren aro Kohima Nishna districts kandi tangor pani kirigina isolated locations ti hawa speed to 30 to 40 kilometers per hour tak utibo pare kuigna chnaishe. Idunishna kali April 29 di pura state widespread localized thunderstorms or lightning mariboli laga hoshar dishe. Aro scattered locations di moderate to heavy rainfall predict rishe. Timapur, Mukokchong, Mon, Newland aro Tsimenu milaigna Bishi districts di intense weather halat samna kuribo chunra localized disruptions suitibo pare. April 30 di weather activity do asti ra pal hobo. Kindu kunba chakadi light rainfall huigina isolated thunderstorms hobo pare. Idu bichidi May 1 di do Bishiwala districts di iku weather warnings nai aro halat improve hobo pare huigina chnaishe. NSDMA ra Chandagan ki thunderstorms aro lightning mara homoy hoshar takibole advised krishe. Aro open areas usur na jabole lightning mara homoy suraksha shelter lobole aro official weather advisories logot updated takibole pinti krishe.